Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will walk you through the process of creating and customizing charts in LibreOffice Calc. I prepared a table showing 12 months, each month's 4 weeks, and a monthly subtotal. For every week it shows the week's sales numbers for a certain item. We will create an appropriate visual representation of the data. Let's get started. Mouse over the entire table. Click on the Insert Chart icon in the toolbar. The chart wizard, together with the chart's default columns and the chart toolbar opens. Select the chart type. For each chart type, you can choose a flat 2D or a more spectacular 3D look. Click on Finish and you will get an acceptable visual impression in the form of columns of your table's data. To customize the chart, we will change the color for the third and the fourth week. Double-click on the chart, then right-click on any third week column. In the drop-down menu, click on Format Data Series. In the upcoming menu, if not selected yet, choose Color, then a color from one of the many palettes. I chose green. Hit OK. We will do the same for the fourth week column. Double-click on the chart, then right-click on any fourth week column. In the drop-down menu, click on Format Data Series. The menu item Color is active from before. Choose your color from the palettes and hit OK. Next, we create a title, a subtitle, and designations for the X and Y axis. Double-click on the chart, then right-click somewhere in the chart. In the upcoming menu, click on Insert Titles. In the Titles menu, fill out the fields as required, then hit OK. If you want to change or correct the titles, double-click on the chart first, then on the item. Do your changes or corrections, then click outside the item. Delete the chart with Ctrl-X and insert it in another place with Ctrl-V. Copy the chart with Ctrl-C and insert this copy in another place with Ctrl-V without deleting the original. To bring out the axis, double-click on the chart, then right-click on the axis scale you want to modify. In the upcoming menu, select Format Axis. In the next menu, select Line, choose Style, Color, Width, and Transparency. To bring out the chart as a whole, create a nice background. Double-click on the chart, then right-click somewhere in the chart. In the next menu, click on Format Wall, and then on Gradient or Color. Select and hit OK. If you want to see the subtotal as a line floating above the weekly columns, double-click on the chart, then right-click anywhere in the chart and select Chart Type in the upcoming menu. Click on Column and Line and hit OK. Also try out the other 9 chart types. Change the size of the chart, dragging the small squares on the border lines in the indicated direction. Shift the chart to anywhere on the worksheet using the crossed arrows. If you want to compare the sales in the 4 weeks within 1 month, a pie chart is a nice way to visualize the numbers. Mouse over the 4 weeks, for example in June. Click on Insert Chart in the toolbar. Select Pie. Click on Next until chart elements in the pop-up menu. Enter a title and a subtitle. Hit Finish. Right-click on the donut. In the context menu, click on Insert Data Labels. The donut segments will show the sales numbers for the weeks of June. In the same way, you can create a pie chart, for example, for the third week of the last 3 months of the year. Mouse over the 3 cells. Click on Insert Chart in the toolbar. Select Pie, 3D Look, and Donut. Click on Next until 4th Chart Elements. Enter a title and a subtitle. Right-click on the donut and choose Enter Data Labels. The donut segments will show the sales numbers for the third weeks of the last quarter. This concludes our video about creating charts. As mentioned in the beginning, there's a lot more to explore. More chart types, more ways to execute a certain function. Just create your own table, produce different charts, and configure them to your liking. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more material like that. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to enter them below. I'm happy to get into touch with you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.